At 6:06, a double dose of the Karen Reed case today.
And Reed has two hearings, one in Superior Court, the other in federal court. That's where we find NBC 10's Minash Kongwari live this morning. Minash, we're not even halfway through the week here.
That's right, and the hearings in Dedham all have to do with what evidence and which experts will be allowed in the Karen Reed retrial. But that may not matter depending on what happens here in federal court in just a few hours. As we know, Karen Reed is the one accused of killing her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe back in 2022 while attempting to drop him off at a Canton home after a night out drinking. For that, she faces second-degree murder, manslaughter while driving under the influence, and leaving the scene of a crash resulting in death. Today, here in federal court, her lawyers will be asking a judge to drop two of those charges because in the first trial, they claimed the jury agreed to acquit Reed of second-degree murder and leaving the scene of a fatal accident. But they couldn't agree on the last charge, resulting in a mistrial. So NBC 10 Boston's Eli Rosenberg sat down with one of those jurors ahead of today's hearing and asked him if there's any validity to the defense's claim.
Unfortunately, we didn't get clarification early on that we could look at each charge individually and independently of each other. If we had done that, then I don't know where we would be or if we would be talking today.
After this hearing, the defense and the prosecution will go back to Dedham, where they will resume working through a number of issues. Did the defense mislead the court? Can the prosecution get a K-9 expert and a meteorologist to testify? Will Judge Beverly Cannoni place a gag order on Karen Reed's attorneys? We, of course, will continue to keep you updated. But for right now, we're live here in Boston. Minash Kongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Thank you, Minash. Yeah, a lot of questions still need to be answered. We're going to bring you today's hearing from Norfolk Superior Court live around 11 a.m. over on NECN or anywhere you can stream our news, and we'll have a full recap on Canton Confidential. That's tonight at 7 p.m.